back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how you are going to go ahead and simply add links to your idea pins on Pinterest, okay? And you're going to make those links meaningful. You're going to make those links, actually stand out. They're going to make sense to the audience, how they work and all. And I'm going to be talking about it in great depth and detail. So what is an idea pin and how do you add a link into it? So first of all, here's my Pinterest, okay? So to create an idea pin, you're going to come here and it's going to say create pin for idea ad. So you're going to click on that. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on create new. You're going to go ahead and drop a picture into it. So let's say I'm going to upload this. There we go. Once you've done that, you can actually edit it, add different layers over it if you want to. And once you've done that, you're simply going to go ahead and give it a title. So let's say I'm going to write my art, give it a description. I made this from an inspiration I got from a Disney movie. Okay, give it its description. Then here comes the link section. So here is where you're going to add a link to your draft. It's where you're going to add a link to your pin. So to add a link, you can simply go ahead and choose whatever link you want. So let's say I'm just going to add YouTube's link for now. But whatever link you want to add, you can simply add it. You're going to choose a board. Obviously, without a board, you can't really draft or upload anything. So once you've done that, you're also going to more options. You can check it out. And if you're done with all of that, click on publish and it uploads your idea pin. And once your idea pin is uploaded, as you can see, the link is also supplied over here. So there we go. So yeah, that's the basic idea on how you can add links to your idea pins on Pinterest. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. If you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.